It is time for the Perry Channel Blizzard 2015 update. It's 3 p.m. in the afternoon. Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Peter Wiggins here, and it's still snowing outside here, northern around the region here. And here's the latest at 3 o'clock on the latest blizzard here. Blizzard warning until 8 p.m. for eastern and southern Worcester, Massachusetts counties, Cape Cod, Martha's Vineyard, all of Rhode Island, Southern New Hampshire, and all Maine here. Winter storm warning now in effect for northern Worcester County, western Massachusetts, Connecticut, Vermont, western New Hampshire, central and northern New Hampshire here. The top 5 snowfall totals in Massachusetts: 30 inches for western. Yep, 30 inches for Westford here. 30 inches for Framingham. 29 inches for Lunenburg, Massachusetts. 29 inches for Acton, Massachusetts. And 28 inches in Lowell, Massachusetts here. And the highest snowfall total by state: Orient, New York on Long Island, 20.5 inches. Exton, New Hampshire, Rockingham County, 26 inches. Waterford County, Connecticut, in New London County get 23 inches. Burville, Rhode Island get 21 inches. Portland, Maine, 15.9 inches. And Windber, Pennsylvania, near Johnstown, Pennsylvania, get 14 inches out of the snow system here. And snow bands are going to continue. 1 to 2 inches of our snow fall rates. Some could be heavy at times. And I'm predicting snow will taper around 8 p.m. Travel ban has been lifted for Hampshire, Franklin, and Hampden, and Berkshire counties of Massachusetts. Mass Pike is still closed. Travel ban still intact for eastern and central Massachusetts and all of Rhode Island here. MBTA service is closed. Amtrak service is closed from Boston to New York. Regional transit service is closed around the region here. And most schools will be closed for the second day in a row around the region here. And no flights out of Logan Airport until tomorrow. TF Green, I believe, will be tomorrow here. And look at the wind gusts so far. 29 miles per hour for Boston, 23 for Taunton, 32 miles per hour for Providence, it's 28 miles per hour for New Bedford, it's 26 miles per hour for Falmouth, Barnstable 46 miles per hour, Worcester 26 miles per hour, Springfield, Massachusetts 33 miles per hour here, Concord, New Hampshire 25 miles per hour, Portsmouth, New Hampshire 48 miles per hour, and Portland, Maine 39 miles per hour here. And winds have been gusting on Nantucket 60 to 80 miles per hour for 16 straight hours now, longer than most Cat 1 hurricanes. And that's why a lot of people on Nantucket have no power so far. As we take a look at the latest outage map here, National Grid's got 11,969 customers in the dark as of 3 o'clock. Many of them along Nantucket here. And N-Star is reporting 18,632 customers in the dark. So experiencing 30,000 customers right now in Massachusetts without power here. And the sun is going to be setting. It's going to be dark the next 2 hours. So I hope those people who don't have power are warming up. And then houses with no power. And hopefully they'll be okay here. Alright. Current conditions here in North Massachusetts so far at 3 o'clock. 18 degrees of temperature with sky obscured with haze. Humidity 81%. Wind speed northwest about 15 gusting to 28 miles per hour. Barometer 29.46 inches. Dew point about 13 degrees. Visibility a half a mile an hour. And a wind chill 4 degrees above zero. Our current conditions around the region: it's 15 out in Boston, 22 in Pittsburgh, 17 in Bedford, 15 in Beverly, 20 in Gloucester, 15 in Worcester, 16 in Sturbridge, 18 in Webster, 21 in Milford, 17 in Norwood, 18 in Taunton, 18 in New Bedford, it's 21 in Plymouth, 21 in Provincetown, 19 in Falmouth, 25 in Chatham, 18 in Martha's Vineyard, 21 in Block Island and Westerly, 18 in Smithfield, 26 in New York City, 26 in Islip, 23 in Long Island. It's 24 in Long Island, it's 21 in Bridgeport and New Haven. It's 20 in Denver, 18 in Waterbury, 22 in Meriden. It's 25 in Hartford, 26 in Winslow. It's 27 in Springfield. It's 25 in Amherst, 21 in Greenfield, 17 in Athol, 11 in Pittsfield, 10 in North Adams, and 13 in Albany, New York. It's 5 above in Benton, Vermont. It's 17 in Rutland, Vermont, 16 in Keene, Hampshire, 14 in Japan, Hampshire, 21 in Concord, Hampshire, 17 in Manchester, Hampshire, 19 in Nashville, Hampshire, and 16 degrees up in Portland, Maine. Here, and waves along the Massachusetts Bay are 27 feet. And take a look at our radar situation here. It is snowing in central and eastern Massachusetts and eastern Connecticut and all of Rhode Island, all of Cape Islands here, and stretching down for eastern shores of Long Island here, and stretch around eastern Hampshire and up in the western, southern, western, central portions of Maine, and up into Maine and up in the western New Brunswick and Canada here. And it's snowing up in Albany, stretching all the way up northeastern New York, stretching down up to 89 quarter in Middlebury, on Route 7 in Middlebury, and up in the Montpelier down for Burlington, and stretch on in Quebec east of Montreal here. So, now, snow will be still lingering around throughout the rest of the afternoon here, and then the snow will be moving out of the region by a time frame between 7:21 and 7:21 p.m. to midnight from much of interior Massachusetts into New England here. Cape Downs could see some lingering snow showers for the Cape Downs up in the North Shore and northeastern Massachusetts up to southeastern Hampshire and up into Maine by about 1:45. And then we could see some ocean effect snow showers around Cape Downs by tomorrow morning here. And how does this storm rank? Today, Boston's got 20.8 inches behind the January 21st, 1978 storm, 21.4 inches. January 22nd, 23rd, 2005, 22.5 inches. February 8th to 9th, 2013, 24.9 inches. April Fool's Day storm in the 97, 25.4 inches. February 24th to 27th, 1969, the 100-hour storm, 26.3 inches. February 6th and 7th, 1978, blizzard of 78, 27.1 inches. And the President's Day storm in 2003, 27.5 inches for the Boston's biggest snowstorms here. In Worcester, it topped the Big Four with 26 inches, 1.2 inches beyond the February 14th, 16th, 1962 storm at 24.8 inches. February 8th, 9th, 2013 at 20.7 inches. The 7/11th, 12th, 1992 storm at 32.1 inches. And the April Fool's Day storm, Worcester got 33 inches of snow. Wow! That is a lot of snow. Okay, we are still under a blizzard warning in effect for much of eastern Massachusetts, including the Norton area, until 8 o'clock tonight. As a crippling and historic blizzard will continue to impact central and eastern New England into early evening, while just a moderate snowstorm affects far western New England here. And blizzard warning remains in effect until 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time this evening, and locations eastern and southeastern Massachusetts, as well as all over Rhode Island, and this includes the cities and towns of Framingham, Lowell, Lawrence, Foxborough, Norwood, Cambridge, Boston, Quincy, Taunton, Brockton, Plymouth, Fall River, New Bedford, Mattapoisett, Foster, Smithfield, Providence, West Greenwich, Warwick, Bristol, Narragansett, Westerly, and Newport and Block Island there. And hazard types: heavy snow, strong winds, and blizzard conditions, and catchable blowing and drifting snow, strong winds. Snow accumulations of 15-25 inches with local aromatics around 30 inches, and the snowfall rates of 1 to 2 inches per hour. Will continue at times throughout the afternoon, and the time and the worst of the storm will be throughout this afternoon, and gradual improving conditions tonight, and the impacts of heavy snow and strong winds will be resulting in some whiteout blizzard conditions with near zero visibility, and travel will be impossible and life-threatening across the entire region, and strong winds may result in some downed tree limbs and some isolated power outages here. And winds north to 25 to 35 miles per gust up to 60 miles per hour. Likely stronger along the eastern shorelines. The height of the winds will be throughout mid-afternoon with the gradual diminishing winds this evening. Visibility 1/4 mile or less at times, and blizzard warning in situ when sustained winds of frequent gusts over 35 miles per expected with considerable falling and blowing and drifting snow. Visibilities will become poor with whiteout conditions at times, and these venturing outdoors may become lost or disoriented, and so persons in the warning area may be advised to stay indoors. All necessary travel is discouraged. This is a serious, life-threatening storm. Here, day 1 this afternoon tonight. Blizzard warning. Day 2 for 7. Wednesday for Monday. Thursday and Friday. Accumulated snow is possible in another low-pressure system, but certainly nothing similar to today's storm. Alright, let's take a look at our forecast as the 3 o'clock and goes like this. For this afternoon, snowboard areas of blowing snow high near 17 degrees, plus 3 with a northwest wind about 18 and 20 miles per gust and ice, 39 miles per chance of precipitation, 100%. Total daytime snow accumulation of 5 to 9 inches possible. Tonight, snow showers with areas of blowing snow before 10 p.m. Then a chance of snow showers between 10 p.m. and 3 a.m. Then a slight chance of snow showers after 3 a.m. Low around 12 degrees. Wind chill values as low as 0. Northwest wind about 8 to 50 miles per gust size, 36 miles per hour. Chance of precipitation is 8%. New snow accumulation of 1 to 3 inches possible on Wednesday. Most of Costco with a high near 23 degrees. Northwest wind about 8 miles per gust size, 28 miles per hour. Wednesday, most of Costco low around 7 degrees. Northwest wind about 5 to 7 miles per hour in the evening. Thursday, most of Costco about 30 degrees, light and variable wind. For that, snow likely May after 4 a.m. Punch fog after midnight. Otherwise, Costco with a low around 21 degrees. Chance of precipitation is 6%. For Friday, snow likely May before 9 a.m. Punch fog before 8 a.m. was. Most of Costco with a high near 34 degrees. Chance of precipitation is 6%. For that, punchy fog between 8 p.m. and 11 p.m. Otherwise, most of Costco low around 5 degrees. Saturday, most of San skies. The part of Costco have about 21, low about 8 degrees. And Sunday, part of San Francisco with a chance of snow on Sunday night. High about 23, low about 7 degrees. Chance of precipitation of 30%. And for Monday, parts of San Francisco have about 21 degrees. Haters, what a phrase of the evening. The blizzard will still continue, but should be over by the night. That's the Wiggins, and I hope you have a good, safe day with a good positive attitude. I'll see you at 5 o'clock. Have a good day. See you at 5.